Testing all 4 drift vehicles. Number 1, BMW. See who does best. Pretty good drifts. A little bit sloppy. I give it a solid 5 out of 10. Next up is the Toyota. It's pretty good donuts. And it's pretty good at long distance runs. Okay, never mind, I take that back. Then is the Toyota Supra. Good at doing donuts. Except it smashed into the wall just now. Never mind, scratch that. It's good at doing spin outs. Next up is the Ford, what's it called? I forgot what it's called. Okay, it's a Mustang. I forgot, so. But it's